Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete an app on an iPhone. So if you want to delete any application on your iPhone, but you don't know how to go about it, then here's a video for you. In this video, I'll walk you through gently how you can easily remove or uninstall application on your iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, as this really helps us to grow. Now, the first thing you want to do to delete or uninstall an app on your iPhone is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. Once you get to the iPhone settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Now, once you selected General, scroll down the page and click on iPhone storage. Here, on your iPhone storage, you have access to all the applications you've installed on your iPhone. Now, to delete or uninstall any application on your iPhone, locate and click on the application. So in this case, let's say the application I want to uninstall is the car driving application. Click on it. Then here you see delete app or offload app. Now, to delete the application, just go ahead and click on delete app. This will delete the app and all related data from this iPhone. This action cannot be reversed. So go ahead and click on delete app. Then you see that says delete this application. Then delete app. Once you hit delete application, then you should see the application removed from your iPhone storage. And if you go back to your iPhone app menu, on the app menu, you discover that the application is no longer available. You see that? So that is basically how to delete or uninstall applications on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.